Hey guys, so today I wanted to do a quick review on this WOOZIK speaker. I really like this speaker, guys. I literally use it all the time whenever I go run or whenever I try to work out outside. It is super loud, which is something that I really love, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you all the different options that it has on the top. Now we do have the USB port, so if you have something that you want to play that has a USB port, it does have it right here. This is the aux port right here, and we also have the volume button right there. We have the micro SD card in case you want to place like a micro SD card that has music. It also has the off and on switch right here. It has the play next or play before tracks. We have the pause button right here, and this one actually pauses as well. So those are the different options that it has on top. Now I'm gonna go ahead and let you listen to the sound quality to see if you like it. Alright guys, so here we have the speaker. It's already connected to my tablet, but it's super easy to connect, guys. You literally just turn on the Bluetooth and you will see it automatically and just connect to it. Now we're going to go ahead and play something. I already turned on the speaker. As you can see, the light is blinking. So we're going to go ahead and play something. Now the volume is completely off and I'm going to just go ahead and add the volume.
Exactly, buddy. Yeah, but I have so many things I want to talk to you about. First of all, congrats. You got nominated for 2 Latin Grammys.
Thank you.
So as you can see, guys, the sound quality is pretty good. It's super loud, especially if you're playing music. I just had to turn it off because I didn't want to get copyrighted, but I would definitely recommend it, guys. It is a pretty big speaker, so you wouldn't be able to like run with it, I guess, but you would be able to like bike ride with it or take it and just, if you're going to a park and you want to run at the park, you can just place it somewhere and it's super loud, so it's really good. I really love it. I like taking it to my mini park that's beside my house and just playing music and blasting to it. So I would definitely recommend it. I absolutely love it, and I think it's a great speaker.